is for axe, to chop some wood. B is for bee, they buzz along. C is for campfire, don't get too near. D is for diamond, the best gear. Come craft with me, build a world from A to Z. Mine, jump, run, explore the day. Let's learn letters the mining way. E is for ender, from far away. F is for furnace, where ores can stay. G is for goss, floating high in the air. H is for helmet, wear it with care. I is for iron, so strong and true. J is for jungle, vines to swing through. K is for kitty, tamed with fish. L is for lava, hot as a dish. Come craft with me, build a world from A to Z. Mine, jump, run, explore the day. Let's learn letters the Minecraft way. M is for minecart, jump in, let's roll. N is for nether, a fiery display. O is for obsidian, dark and tough. P is for pickaxe, strong and rough. Q is for quartz, it shines so white. R is for redstone, wiring light. S is for slime block, light and explode. T is for torch, light up the road. A, B, C, come craft with me, build a world from A to Z. Mine, jump, run, explore the day. Let's learn letters the Minecraft way. U is for underground, deep and bold. V is for village vaults with treasures and gold. W is for water, make a waterfall. X marks the spot, dig through it all. Y is for you, the hero we cheer. The best part of the game is you. Z is for zombie pig, better steer clear. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Mining letters for you and me.